If you're looking for a way to manage global HR processes effortlessly, Deel is the solution you need. This tool streamlines everything from onboarding to payroll, and it's designed to make your international team management a breeze. In this quick guide, we're going to show you how to use Deel for efficient global HR management and why it's quickly becoming a go-to platform for companies with distributed teams. Stick around to the end, where I'll also share how you can get access to Deel for free with exclusive bonuses. Deel helps companies hire talent globally without the headache of managing multiple contracts, tax regulations, and compliance requirements. Whether you're onboarding full-time employees, contractors, or freelancers from any country, Deel's platform takes care of the legal and financial complexities involved. From setting up contracts to ensuring you're compliant with local labor laws, Deel makes it simple. The first thing you need to know about Deel is its intuitive onboarding process. Instead of dealing with paperwork and endless forms, Deel automates the setup. You can create contracts in just a few clicks, which are fully customized for the specific country of the employee. This feature alone is a game changer, saving you hours of admin work. You can also include company-specific benefits or clauses, and Deel will generate the right paperwork in the proper format for the employee's location. Once your team is on board, Deel helps you manage payroll effortlessly. No matter where your employees are located, Deel ensures they're paid accurately and on time in their local currency. You can pay people via bank transfers, cryptocurrencies, or even Deel's digital wallet, ensuring flexibility for your international team. Deel automates the tax calculations and deductions, so you're always in compliance with local tax laws. One of the key features of Deel that makes it perfect for global HR management is its ability to offer a one-click compliance solution. The platform keeps track of all local laws and tax regulations, automatically updating its systems to ensure you never miss a beat. Deel's compliance team works behind the scenes to ensure that your business stays protected from potential legal risks. This means that no matter where your talent is based, Deel takes care of ensuring that your payments and contracts are fully compliant. Another huge time saver is Deel's reporting feature. The platform provides you with detailed reports for payroll, tax, and compliance, all in real time. You can easily monitor employee performance, payments, and contracts from a single dashboard, keeping everything streamlined. This transparency gives you valuable insight into your global workforce and helps you stay on top of everything from budgeting to productivity. Now let's talk about why you should give Deel a try today. You can start using it completely free with exclusive bonuses when you sign up through the link in the description below. This is your chance to see firsthand how Deel can make your global HR management efficient, fast, and compliant. Before I go, remember that Deel isn't just about managing payroll or contracts. It's an all-in-one HR tool designed to scale with your business, whether you're hiring your first international employee or managing a global team of hundreds. And with Deel's extended free trial, you'll get to explore all the features and benefits risk-free. So, if you're ready to simplify your global HR management and make hiring and paying international teams easier, check out Deel through the link below. Take advantage of the free trial and exclusive bonuses now and see how Deel can take your business to the next level. Don't miss out.